Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Treasure Trooper, and we're going to find out whether it is worth your time to use it to earn some cash online. And we're also going to go through how you can actually earn points and various other things on the site so you can actually cash them out very easily. So without further ado, let's head over to treasuretrooper.com. So as you can see, we've come over to the treasuretrooper.com, and this is the home page of what you'll actually see. So you can see in the top left hand corner here, you can get $1 free just for joining up. All you have to do is put in your email and first name and then click the registered button here, and you will then go ahead, fill in the rest of your details, and you'll get a confirmation email sent through where you can actually then just click the link and then you'll be good to go. So let's just go through how you can actually earn some cash with the Treasure Trooper website. As you can see, you can complete offers here. And it says fill in forms, and it says there are over $3,000 in offers. You also can take paid surveys, and these can be worth up to $1 per day. You can visit the unique survey panel of dozens of extra paid survey opportunities. So you can also be rewarded for playing mini games, for pearls, discover gems, find gold coins and trade them in for bonus prizes. So this is the thing I like about Treasure Trooper. It's quite interactive. There's loads of different things you can actually do to it to actually earn different points and different coins and, like I say, gems and all that sort of thing. And then you can exchange those into points, which obviously then means you can actually cash out. Now, one of the big things you can obviously do as well is you can refer other people. And that is quite a good way of doing this and actually getting some points. Because if you can tell your friends that you'll receive up to 20% of what they earn, okay? And you'll also receive 5% on the second level referral. So in other words, if they go on and then actually refer other people who use the site, you're going to get 5% of any earnings that they earn as well. So it's what they call a two-tier affiliate program. They are also offering instant payouts as well. It's going to go and head over into the back end of Treasure Trooper and find out exactly how it all works. Okay, so we come into my account here. As you can see, it's totally different to any of the other sites that I've probably done videos about before. And it says at the top here, this is where you can actually earn. So you've got cash offers, cash surveys, cash search, cash videos, and you can got arrowhead dig sites. So again, like I say, it's quite interactive and there's loads of different things you can actually go and do, which will keep you on the site. So a lot of these other ones are just literally even just surveys and that sort of thing, which obviously do get a bit mundane in time. So if we click on earn here, go to, let's have a look at cash offers for argument's sake. As you can see here, you've got your surveys unlimited premium. You're going to get 60 cents per survey here. And then you've got extra surveys here. And you've got all the surveys further down here as well. It's going to tell you how much you're going to actually earn. So 40 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 80 cents, 60 cents. So these are, this is pretty standard prices for the survey sites. If you wanted to earn more money like this rather than a few cents every time, and you're interested in actually building your own business from home through affiliate marketing, which is what I do, then basically click on the link in the description below, my #1 recommended program, and that will take you through various videos where you can actually go and earn $20 very, very quickly in the next hour. And also, obviously, you can hook up with me inside that, and I will obviously be your mentor right the way through to help you build into a full-time income. Okay, so back to this video, and as we can see here, once you've actually earned, you would then go to the redeem button here. So you've actually got a trading hut, you've got cogs coop, you've got a currency converter, and you've got cryptic treasure. So the cryptic treasure obviously is going to have things like cryptocurrencies, that sort of thing. The other thing I like about Treasure Trooper is they've got some forums here, so you can take you to the forums, and you've obviously got a chat room. So that just proves there are lots of happy people using this Treasure Trooper, and it's been going around since 2005. So it's stood the test of time, and so we know that it's obviously paying out, and it's obviously a legit way of actually earning money. You've got the play button here as well, and this is various different games that you can actually look at doing. So if we click on Dragon Lair here, this will open up into another tab, as you can see, and then you can obviously play the game from here. Now there are also different levels within the Treasure Trooper as well, and as you can see here, you've got the VIP club, that sort of thing. Members that have had at least $500 are invited to join the VIP club. Active VIP club members receive benefits including 5 platinum coins every month, 10 pearls each month, and are exempt from instant PayPal fees once a month as well. So there are options obviously to go and try and get your $500. So you can obviously connect with them as well via forums, chat rooms, Facebook, Twitter, and the referral center here. So plenty of places where you can actually go and chat with them. Obviously with Facebook as well, you can become Jack's friends. He's got 2,500 friends. You can join their group. So if we click on that and just open up the group for you. As you can see here, they've got 6.3 thousand members in their actual group. Looks like it's a pretty active group as well. So as you can see here, some posts going on, not that often, but it certainly is an active group. So you could obviously promote it as well. They give you loads of promotional material here in the referral center. Obviously got no referrals yet. They've got a 4-tiered referral program as well. So this basically means the more people you can get in, then the higher the levels you actually get. But even as someone just joining out, you can get 20% for direct referrals, cash offer earnings, and obviously 5% on your second level. But when you then can go up to silver, gold, and diamond as well. And then you get $5 each time a referral crashes out for the first time. And you get daily survey commissions of 10 cents and a $300 cash bonus. So again, worth obviously referring people to get more points within Treasure Trooper as well. Okay, so that's a quick overview of Treasure Trooper. Definitely go and check this one out. As I say, it's very different from most of the other survey sites and get paid to sites that I've promoted. Very much more interactive, and there's loads of different ways you can actually go and earn points, cash, diamonds, all sorts, gems, and then obviously trade them for cash and cash out, obviously through PayPal as well, which is obviously a plus. So definitely make sure you check out treasuretrooper.com today. Yeah, hi, hope you found that interesting and useful. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.